Welcome. We are genuinely glad that you are here. Whether you've arrived feeling calm or scattered, tired, or carrying a lot, you belong in this space today. I want to acknowledge something we're all living with right now. There's a lot of chaos in the world. It's not just out there, but it's inside people too. There's uncertainty, anxiety, fear, the feeling of not knowing what's coming next. Today, we want to talk about peace in the chaos. Not the kind of peace that only exists when everything is going well, but the kind of peace that stays with you, even when life feels messy or loud, unpredictable. Here's the truth. Peace is not something we need to go looking for. Peace lives within us. And the more we understand how to access it, the more empowered we become, no matter what's happening around us. We come to understand that chaos has an energy to it. It's frenetic. It's fast. It rushes us. It pushes urgency. It tells us we need to react right now. Chaos is fueled by fear, uncertainty, and anxiety. And when we're caught in that energy, our nervous system goes into survival mode. We start overthinking. We feel tight in our bodies. We lose clarity. We disconnect from ourselves. But here's something important to remember. Chaos is an energy that is not permanent. It moves, it shifts, and it does not define who you are. Peace is also an energy, a steadier one, a stronger one, a quiet one. And it doesn't disappear just because chaos shows up. Peace does not mean that there's no chaos around us. It means the chaos no longer controls us.
We often think peace will come after things settle down, after the situation changes, or after the decision is made, and maybe even after the fear goes away. But peace doesn't work that way. Peace is something we carry, even in uncertainty, even in transition, even when we don't have the answers yet. Peace is a profound connection to your inner self, encompassing serenity, harmony, and completeness, beyond the mere absence of conflict. When we turn inward into our breath, our body, our inner knowing, we reconnect with that peace. The essence of peace lies in self-awareness. Finding peace involves recognizing our thoughts, our emotions, and our experiences without judgment. And from that place, we respond differently. We speak differently. We choose differently. Peace becomes our anchor. Frenetic energy will always try to disturb our peace. It pulls at our attention, it hooks into fear, and it convinces us that we need to engage with it. And this is where one of the most powerful practices comes in: And that's learning to be the observer. When you observe instead of reacting, you create space. You might say to yourself, I notice this anxiety. I notice this fear, but I don't have to become it. The moment you step into observation, the energy loses its grip. You are no longer inside the storm. You're watching it pass. Peace isn't about controlling the energy around you. It's about staying anchored within yourself. Understanding peace is helpful, but experiencing it is what changes us. Let's take a few minutes to let the body feel what peace can be like, even right now. So if you feel comfortable, allow your eyes to close or simply soften your gaze. Bring your attention to where your body is touching something solid, the chair beneath you, your feet on the floor, and notice that you are supported. Now place one hand on your chest and one hand on your belly. Take a slow breath in through your nose and let it out slowly through your mouth. Continue this breath practice throughout this exercise. Let your body set the pace. As you breathe, silently ask yourself, where am I holding the chaos? You might notice it in your shoulders or in your jaw, your chest, or possibly your belly. You don't need to change it. Just notice. Now imagine that place softening with each exhale. It's not disappearing. It's softening. It's softening with every breath out. Allow your body to release just a little of what it's been carrying. The urgency, the bracing, the pressure to have it all figured out. If it feels helpful, silently say to yourself, in this moment, I am safe enough. In this moment, I am safe enough. Let that land. You are not asking the chaos to leave. You are letting your body know it doesn't have to engage with it. Take one more slow breath in and a gentle breath out. When you're ready, slowly bring your awareness back to the room. Notice how your body feels now compared to when we started. Even a small shift matters.
Anxiety isn't just in our thoughts. It lives in the body. Stress caused by anxiety changes the chemical makeup of our brain and our nervous system. It increases the stress hormones that keep us on high alert. Fortunately, movement helps shift this. So when we move our bodies, even gently, we signal safety. We change our chemistry. Movement allows energy to move through instead of staying stuck. So let's do this movement reset. We'll do this together. Roll your shoulders up, back, and down. Slowly take one slow breath in and fully release it. And press your feet into the ground and notice the support beneath you. And if it feels good to you, lightly shake out your hands. That's it. Just 30 seconds. Shake, 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 shake. Shake out your hands, shake out your arms, shake out your shoulders, shake out your chest, shake your belly, shake your hips, shake your thighs. Bounce your toes up so that your calf muscles can actually release a little bit. And shake that too. So as we are doing this shake, shake, shaking, your nervous system is receiving the message, I am safe. So over the next few weeks, try and take a 30-second break and do the shake and see how you feel. Here's another way, actually four simple ways to add peace to your day. 1, begin with one conscious breath. Before the day rushes in, take one intentional breath. 2, come back to the body. Place your hand on your heart, feet on the ground. 3, choose curiosity over fear. Ask, what is this moment asking me to notice? 4, protect your energy. You are allowed to choose peace.
As we close our time together today, I want to leave you with something that settles a little deeper than the information, something that wraps around your heart the way a warm shawl wraps around your shoulders. It's a blessing offered from my heart to yours. You can close your eyes or soften your gaze. Place a hand over your heart. Listen with your heart, not just your ears. May you remember that you do not have to be calm to be worthy of peace. May you know that even in uncertainty, your body can soften and your heart can rest. May the tight places within you loosen their grip. May the constant hum of worry quiet, even if only for a moment. May you trust that you're allowed to pause, allowed to set things down, allowed to meet yourself with kindness instead of pressure. May peace meet you in small, ordinary moments, in your breath, in your body, in the simple knowing that you are not alone in this. And as you return to your day, may you carry this gentle steadiness with you. Not because everything is resolved, but because you are still here, still breathing, still whole. And may that be enough for now. Go ahead and open your eyes. Take gentle care of your beautiful heart and be kind to your inner world. And we will see you soon.